In the last video, we looked at swapping out visuals and we created buttons to switch between the different visuals. I want to look at a bookmark navigator, but we need to be able to exclude certain buttons or include just certain buttons in the bookmark navigator. I'm actually going to go to sales analysis for this, I think. And you can start to see that we've got quite a serious bookmark navigator going on here, and it includes view line chart and view column chart, basically bookmarks that don't apply to this page, they apply to other pages. So that's where we have to get a little bit exclusive. So on the bookmark pane, I'm going to hold the control key and choose accessories, bike, clothing and component. Now these are the 4 bookmarks I really want to see on the bookmark navigator in the sales analysis page. So I'm going to right click this selection and I'm going to say group, and it'll give me group 1, which I'll then double click and rename sales analysis navigator. So these are the bookmarks in the navigator I want for the sales analysis page, and I can just expand it to have a look at it. So then what we do is we click the bookmark navigator on your report canvas, and if we go to the format pane and we go to visuals and particularly bookmarks, that's where we can say, look, we don't want all bookmarks, we just want the sales analysis bookmark navigator or the sales analysis navigator. And notice how that's now chopped it down to 4. So where else is this important? I may, like we were looking at earlier, I may want to go back to a page called ticket analysis. And in here we made a button which was really cute to flick to the line chart or flick to the column chart, but you may also want to put a bookmark navigator in here. So we would have to, on the bookmarks panel, choose view column chart, view line chart. Control those two. Right click the fact that both been chosen and choose group. Double click group 2 and call it ticket analysis navigator. And then when we click on this particular, and then we'll insert the bookmark navigator, so buttons, navigator, bookmark navigator, so that's fine, and that's up here. And then I'll just put it there. But now I'm going to go into my format bookmarks and say don't give me all bookmarks, just the ticket analysis navigator. And so that's another way. And so now we've got a bookmark navigator that allows us to view the line chart or view the column chart. I think I need to tidy that up a little bit, but you can see the idea and what I mean by that. Yeah.